slots at the bottom here, and then it just grabs the lock. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. It's just support for the actual latch that's going to come behind. Now you pop it in there, and you can see it goes right through the lock, and then this retaining clip, I was trying to put it the other way around. It doesn't go that way. You have to put it this way. Much simpler, much faster. And then when it hits all the way down, it has two little hooks that kind of hook into the bottom, so you can't pop it out. So you have to actually get your screwdriver in there. So it's a little difficult, but then, you know, you figure it out. It's not that tough. Let's keep going with this. Now we get to install this guy. Oops. So basically what we're going to do, she's got a little lip here. See that right there? So that just hooks right in there. So I'm going to do this. Going to line this guy up. Voila. And bolt here. Oops, sorry. These don't go here. These go right up here. That's one. That's two. Now the other thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bolt this guy down too, and then all we gotta do is the adjustment. So when it hits the striker down here, so we're gonna put this guy right in there. So there we go. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get the key. I'm gonna bring it down so it actually latches down, and then we're gonna softly open it again so we can bolt it all down and try not to move it as much so it stays in that position. Because right now we just have to adjust that it hits the striker right and it just doesn't bounce back. So it's fairly easy to do. The only real big hard part is getting this guy in there, making sure he's in there, and get yourself a rivet on there.